is, and yes, welcome aboard. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Selamat pagi, selamat malam, selamat sore. Apa kabar? How are you guys doing? I hope everything's a-okay. Everybody's feeling fine. Everybody's chilling, relaxing, for we are going to do a very first time reaction, and this is requested by you guys. You know, if you ask for something, you are definitely going to get it, of course. So this time we are going to react to Eka Gustiwana Kojek Putriana. Semua ada di Jakarta. The sounds of Jakarta. Man, I don't know who's who here, so guys, if you can fill me in along the way, that would be marvelous, you know. And yes, let's go dive into this one. But before that, of course, guys, may I remind each and everybody to please subscribe to the artist that we react to. In this case, this is posted on Eka Gustiwana's account. I'll be linking her official YouTube account on the description box below, as well as the link of this video that we're going to watch. Okay, so yes, please do all of that, and guys, remain nice. I know all of you are so wonderful people, and remain that way, and spread some love in, not the hate, because we all don't need hate in this world, right? So yeah, come on, join me in listening to Semua Ada di Jakarta. I do hope that there's CCs on this one though, so yes, but you know the drill, guys. If there's no CCs, we're also good with that, because I've always been telling you guys that music is universal. We don't need no interpretation. It doesn't need no words actually. So yes, we can feel music, not just hear them, right? So yes, come on, join me in listening this for the very first time. Okay, come on.
Bergegaslah dari gundahmu, berkemas dan ikutlah denganku, nikmati gelora yang belum pernah kau rasakan, sebut yang kau mau, pasti akan kau temukan.
Oh my god, okay, I know you hate me pausing, guys. I understand that, but I have to really like let my thoughts come across. I love that this incorporates like not just like old people, but and you know, teenagers and stuff like that, or the younger ones. It's not just that, also the instruments that you guys are using here is also like infusion of both the old and the new, which is very, very great. And also this is kind of like a poppy yet traditional kind of vibe, which is just very fresh for in my ears. Like, I have not heard something like this one, or have I? I'm not so sure. But as far as today is concerned, I have not really like remember hearing the same type of like concept of musicality, and that's wonderful, guys. And yes, please do tell me if the translations below are correct, because sometimes auto translation is far off from what they are actually saying. So guys, please do tell me. Let's continue.
Sebut yang kau mau, pasti akan kau temukan. Semua ada di Jakarta, ada cerita di setiap langkah, sudut demi sudut, barat sampai ke timur, dan ku ajak kau bersenang-senang denganku, nyanyi
Jangan sampai bude dicolong, karena kita cuma bengong. Ayo kita semua mulain dari hal kecil kita lakuin. Dari palang pintu silat roti buaya, bir peletok kerak telur bangge budaya. Beragam cita rasa ada di kota Jakarta. Kudu bangge kudu cinta mulai dari kita.
Semua ada di Jakarta.
Iya bener non, ada semuanya di Jakarta.
Ada cerita di setiap langkah.
Ada cintanya, ada sukanya. Kita kudu semangat ya.
Sudah dari sudut barat sampai ke timur.
Nah, si non mau kemana?
Dan ku ajak kau bersenang-senang denganku, menikmati Jakarta. Di Jakarta, di Jakarta, di Jakarta.
Semangat jangan kendor, mainin tutan jidor. Gambang kromong pukul kenong, ayo semua jangan bengong. Jaga terus tradisi, agar tetap lestari. Bangga jati diri, cinta negeri bisnis Betawi.
That was wonderful. You know what I love about this the most? It's very current, but then it's talking substance, right? And what I like about Indonesian like artists specifically though is that they tend to not forget to infuse their history. You know, it's always part of their arts, their lifestyle whatsoever, you know, and they're proud of it and they're like showcasing it, and I couldn't be more happier to see such things. And yeah, this is great, and but I do think though that the translations are not correct. Maybe some of them are, but I think most of them are not really well translated, in my opinion. Guys, please do fill me in because I'm quite confused here. But yes, as far as this one is concerned, though, I love the beat. I love the upbeatness of this, and of course, I love. Is that Eka? I'm not so sure, guys. Please do fill me in. But she is so comfortable. She seems very young, but she's so comfortable with what she's doing, and we like to see that in artists. You know, that they have this, that they know what they're doing. They're comfortable and they don't worry about nothing, and it's wonderful. I just love to see her confidence in her and her love for the country, really, not just the city, I believe, the entire country, and it's wonderful. This is wonderful. And guys, once again, please do let me know what is the gif of like the whole song, because I'm dying to know. But I'm surely am so glad to be hearing this one. And once again, guys, thank you. Salamat pagi to each and all of you people. You truly are, you truly do disappoint me every single time. You're on point with your suggestions, and yay, bravo to you. And without any further ado, may I remind each and all of you to please subscribe to Eka Gustiwana, and let's also support Kojek Putriana and all of the people behind this. Kudos to all of them. And guys, once again, I hope to see you next time, and you take care. Ciao.